Welcome everyone. I've got a really dynamite light to show you right here. This is an LED driven fixture that can replace your 2 foot by 4 foot light fixtures in your suspended ceiling. Now I apologize, I live on an old farm. I don't have any suspended ceilings to really show you off this light installed, but honestly I think for filming it's going to be better this way anyway, because you're going to be able to see some of the features and functions that this has available to you. Now, wiring wise, you pretty much just have 3 wires to get this going. You've got a hot, a load, and a ground wire. That's going to get you all wired up. And then you have 2 for an external dimmer if you want. But you can also do all of those functions right here on the fixture. And that's what I really wanted to show you today. So let's get this guy fired up and take a look at what it does. That's spilling a lot of light right now. And it's a really nice distributed light too. You don't really see individual elements in this entire fixture projecting light. It's really spread, it's really throwing light well. And let's take a look at some of the features that this has got in the settings on the back. So first off, we've got a function to dim it. That's 1 step down, 2 steps down, 3 steps down, 4 steps down. So that's as dim as you can get with the switches on the back. We're going to take it right back up to max brightness again. And this is where it gets really interesting, because let's say you've got some really cool color paint on your walls, but the lighting that's in there now really doesn't show that off. So what if you had an option to actually change the color output of your fixture? Yeah, it's just that easy. Look at that warm white right there. And even warmer white. That is crazy. So we go from warm white on this side of the scale all the way back up to almost a bluish white, cool white on the other end of the spectrum. So this fixture's got a lot of really dynamite functionality to it, and it is lightweight. I'm right-handed, this is my left hand. This whole fixture weighs only a few pounds, but it is still really rigidly made. It's got a lot of strength from the steel backing on the back of this guy, and it has 4 clips on all of the corners for attaching it to the tracking in your suspended ceiling. So these are going to be dynamite. They're going to be easy to install. You don't have that big heavy ballast in there anymore for a fluorescent fixture. And these guys are lightweight, they run cool, they're really energy efficient, and they look fabulous. And you get a lot of color options that you're really not going to get with an incandescent or fluorescent fixture. So these fixtures are really a dynamite value, and you get 2 of them in the giant box. And I gotta say, they are really nice for a really professional installation in your hung ceiling, maybe in a game room, maybe in an office, anywhere like that. These are going to be a great choice. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate your time. You make sure you have a fantastic week.